Good morning and Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome back to our online classes. Hopefully you're enjoying your stay at your home with your families. So let's start our today's topic. First of all, we have to mention the classwork and after that date, which is Thursday 17th December 2020. Then it's your English grammar work. So and your topic is letter writing. What is the topic of letter? I will tell you at the end of the video. So let's start. So first of all, we have to learn how to write a letter. For writing the letter, what comes first at the start? Obviously comes the heading, and what comes in the heading? It's address and date. So we are writing this at school or in your examination, so we will write examination hall, after that comma, city ABC, comma, and date. You will write date 17th December 2020, or the day when you are writing the letter. It is the heading, that's why I wrote it at the head. After that, what comes? After that comes greeting. What comes? Greeting. She is waving her hand. That's why I write it here. Greeting, dear friend. So this is a letter to a friend. Dear friend. After that, comma. What comes after? The one you are writing the letter or addressing. You will write comma. Okay. After that, you will write Assalamu alaikum, hi, hello, how are you, each and everything. Then comes the body. After heading and greeting, there comes the body. You will write what you are writing the letter about. For example, this letter is about thank you for your gift. It was pleasant surprise. So this is called the body of the letter. And after the body comes closing. Love. You will write your loving friend, your loving son, your loving daughter, etc. You can write it. Okay. And after that, in the last, you will write name Tim. So you won't write the name Tim, obviously you will write your own name. For example, I wrote here the name Tim. So now you can look at this picture. Okay, first comes the heading, then comes the greeting, after that body, then closing, and in the last comes your name. So how we are going to write the letter, I will show you a sample. Okay, so I already told you and I have shown you the example. So how you are going to write? You will write examination hall, after that comma, city ABC, comma, 17th December 2020, full stop. My dear uncle. You are writing letter to your uncle, so you will write uncle and comma. Assalamu alaikum. This is the body of your letter. Okay, and at the end you will write your loving nephew or niece, after that comma, and at the end you will write name of yourself. Okay, so you are writing letter to your uncle thanking him for birthday gift. Okay, you are writing letter to your uncle thanking him for the birthday gift. So beta, this is end of our lecture. Hopefully it will be easy for you to understand and you can write a letter by yourself now. If you have any kind of problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.